What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel, Faye Trades. Follow me on Instagram. I'm just going to be posting content, focus on the market. That's all this can think about. All the opportunity is crazy. This global economic pandemic right now between the coronavirus and oil and just money in general. That's a whole nother educational video. I'm going to dig right in to show you what I traded today to profit $41. Now you're probably thinking $41 is not that much. Well, for a $500 account, yeah, it is, because my account's growing now over $600. That is what you need to do. Take little profits at a time to grow a small account, and that's exactly what I did today. I got in the stock AYTU Bioscience. A couple of days ago, they released news that they have a distribution deal with the FDA for a coronavirus test. That is huge. Look what it did to the stock. It sent it from 40 cents to over 250, and on top of that, this was halted several times on the way up. Circuit breaker halt means that the stock was going up so fast that they had to pause the trading to figure out all the orders in the market. That's going to attract a lot of day traders and people that want to profit on this in general. Now I'm going to jump right into a screen recording that I have. So as I'm analyzing this, I'm like, okay, this is uptrending. I do not want this to go up without me. I put an order in the market to buy 100 shares at 139. I like it. Place trade. Now you see I'm waiting to get filled at 139. I need somebody to sell me those shares. Sell them. There it is. Executed at 139. A couple minutes after I got in, I set an order to sell at $5. That was just in case this thing went mayhem. I knew I had an order in the market. Now I'm going to fast forward to where this stock really made me some money today. So it was about 12:25. Here we are, right here. So this was mentioned on Fox News, and of course, whatever happens on Fox News, everybody follows. And of course, the penny stock, yeah, it's gonna get some hype. It's really cheap. So here I am, letting my profit run. Probably up like $30 right now. Let's see. I get some more tools over here. Getting my orders ready to sell because my target today was 185, and it's dang near close. All I know is I don't want to sell this below 170 now that it's at 172. It goes to 180. I don't want to sell it below 180, but I'm willing to let this consolidate. I'm up 30%. I'm going to take 30% all day on a small account. I don't want this to go any lower, but I'm going to let it consolidate. I have an order to sell at 180. I was like, you know what? I should probably not be greedy. You don't want to be greedy. You're going to get eaten up alive. Gave it some more time. I was thinking maybe this can just do a quick squeeze to 186. You know what? I'll just put that in the market just in case. So I have an order to sell at 186. Just being patient. And I had another idea. I was like, you know what? Why don't I do a stop on quote? Maybe if this gets above 181, I could change my price type to stop on quote. So I'm watching this level 2. I want to see more buyers. I don't really see a ton of buyers, so I'm like, all right, stop on quote 181. If this can get above, and if the bid can get to 182 and I click sell and stop on quote, if this ticks down to 181, it'll sell me out. I won't get out any lower. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna have to sell this because there's huge sellers right here, but it could be a fake. But I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna be happy with selling at 181. There it is, taking the profit, the $40 for the day. I'm going to do that every day if I can. Now this definitely has more potential to go up, but I'm not going to gamble on my profit. You got to take it when you have it. And if you look at the stock now, it did downtrend a little bit. So here's the stock now. It's consolidating in between 160 and 180. I wouldn't be surprised if this pulls back down to these lows again. Maybe I'll scoop it up. I made the trade. I don't have a fear of missing out. FOMO, what they call it. Anyhow, that was my trade of the day. It's pretty sick. It happened faster than I could have thought it would, but when people post stuff on Fox News, everybody believes it. But don't let them brainwash you. Stay smart. Know what you're looking at. Figure out your risk reward. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't try and copy any of my trades, but be smart about it. Manage your risk. That's all you got to do. I knew what my exit was going to be before I even got into the trade. It's just that simple. With a small account, you have to manage risk. You have to protect what you have, guys, And if you're in this stock market long right now, it's not a safe market environment right now, but it's getting to the point where it's more of a buyer's market, in my opinion. More than likely, this is going to be figured out probably within the next 6 months, but right now, definitely a great opportunity. Stay tuned for more trades. I want to get at it, and I hope you do too.